morning slips a silver key, the world exhales awake. One sparrow plucks a tiny note, a ribbon on the lake. A hush of light dew trembles, rooftops learn to sing. A single tweet becomes a thread, an opening to spring. Soft harmonies like sunlight falling on the leaves. Each small voice a promise that the silent heart believes. Listen, the symphony of the birds, rising with the sky from lone and tender tweets to wings that multiply. Hear how daylight gathers every song and every wing, till every street and meadow rings the symphony of the birds we sing. Midday spills an eager chord, a robin's clarion calls. A goldfinch drops a laughing trill, a swallow arcs and falls. Notes braid round telephone wires and weave through window glass. Two voices meet and answer, and the music moves to mass. Playthings drum, the city beat, warblers paint with trees. Hawks hum bass lines deep and slow, the lark ascends with ease. Each small refrain adds color, a mosaic in the air. A thousand tiny instruments that listen and prepare. Listen, the symphony of the birds, swelling with the sun, a chorus made of daylight until the day's begun. From sidewalk to the hillside, through alleys, parks and yards, the world becomes a theater, the symphony of the birds. Afternoon unfolds its pages, conversations blend. A thrush replays in golden notes, the sparrows redescend. The cadence grows like river flow, the pulse begins to rise. A million tiny metronomes aligning with the skies. Feathers stirring counterpoint, a wind that holds the tune. Sunlight keeps the tempo as the shadows stretch at noon. Hear the symphony of the birds, rolling through the day, from scattered little whispers to an orchestra at play. Every rooftop hit in bronze contributes to the words, until the air is bright and tight, the symphony of the birds. Late afternoon, a hush that breathes a gentle golden pause, a hush before the crescendo, nature keeping laws. Now, the symphony of the birds, evening draws her veil, one by one the heavens join a comet trail of hail. Starlight tunes the final chords as crickets tune their strings. All feathers lift together, hear the chorus that it brings. Night holds a single cadence lingering like a hush, but every dawn remembers how the morning found its rush. And in the quiet memory, the smallest song